If you're getting ready to move, one of the smartest things you can do is create a photo inventory of your belongings. It's simple, it protects you, and it makes filing a claim for moving insurance much easier if something goes wrong. Start by gathering your camera or smartphone and walking through your home room by room. Take clear, well-lit photos of everything you plan to move, especially valuable or fragile items like electronics, artwork, or furniture. Next, capture different angles. Don't just take one picture, show the front, sides, and any identifying marks or serial numbers. This helps prove the item's condition before the move. Then organize your photos. Create folders by room or category so it's easy to find things later. For example, you might have one folder for the living room, one for the kitchen, and another for your personal valuables. It's also a good idea to make a written list alongside your photos. Include short descriptions, estimated values, and purchase dates if you know them. This list is useful when deciding how much insurance coverage you need and if you ever need to file a claim. Finally, back everything up. Save your photos and list to the cloud or an external drive so you don't lose them if your phone or computer gets damaged during the move. Creating a photo inventory only takes a little time but can save you a lot of trouble later. It's proof of ownership, condition, and value all in one easy step. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and also you can email us at contactus@movers.com, call us at 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.